How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, in the Settings and Activity page, tap on the Account Center option and now go ahead and tap on the Password and Security option under the Account Settings tab. You will then see the Where You Are Logged In option. Tap on that and further in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the devices that your account is logged into. Now, if you find any suspicious devices, then tap on the Select Device to Log Out option and further select the devices that you want to log out of and then tap on the Log Out button, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Log Out Again option, and with this, that particular account will be logged out. So this is how you can check if someone is using your Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.